Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to enable or disable enhanced pointer precision in Windows 10. So without further ado, let's get right into it. To enable or disable enhanced pointer precision in Windows 10, follow these steps. What is pointer precision? Enhanced pointer precision is essentially a feature that adjusts your mouse's sensitivity based on the speed of your movements. It's part of Microsoft's mouse acceleration algorithm. Here's what it does. Enabled. The pointer moves faster when you move your mouse quickly, and slower when you move it slowly. This can make the pointer feel more responsive, especially in tasks like browsing or general use. Disabled. The mouse movement becomes consistent, with no acceleration. Many gamers prefer this setting for better precision in gaming scenarios, as it avoids unintended movements. Press Windows key +I to open the Settings app. Navigate to Mouse Settings, go to Devices, then Mouse. Scroll down and click on Additional Mouse Options under Related Settings. In the Mouse Properties window, go to the Pointer Options tab. Check the box for Enhanced Pointer Precision to enable it, or uncheck it to disable. Click Apply and then OK to save your changes. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.